Hey, what's up, guys? This is Amin, and you're watching your favorite YouTube channel, Make Money with Amin. Today, I want to talk about Elementor header and footer builder not loading or not working. This is very complex problem for the Elementor header and footer plugin user, and this is really so bad because sometimes people want to edit their header but it's not loading. How it is and how can we fix this problem within a few minutes, and definitely it will be work. And so let's get started. Okay, first of all, we want to check from here what we want to do. Suppose we want to I want to visit my client website and I want to edit this header section. Okay, so header section, so here it is, header top footer. So I want to edit header top, so I want to click here and open in new tab, but it's just loading and loading, not showing properly. Okay, so this is the problem mainly. So what can we do and how can we solve this problem from our dashboard, WordPress dashboard? So I have a few suggestions for you. uh, if you should follow the step by step first one, and if work, and then no problem, no need to go the second step. Okay, so first step is just clear all the caches from your cache plugin. Okay, so this is the first step. After that, you should go again and check edit with Elementor from your header or footer. I think it will be work. If not, you should jump for the next solution. So what is it? That is, go to your Elementor option, then you will see the menu tools option. So click here, and after that you will see the general option, and just see the save mode option and enable it and save it. Then again go there and edit with your header and footer with Elementor, and definitely it will be work. But if not, you should go the third step, and definitely this step definitely work for you. Okay, so what is it? Just go to your plugin area and click the installed plugin, then select this option, and here just deactivate all plugin. I want to click here, and then I only install two plugin, that is Elementor and Elementor header and footer. So I want to activate this one, already it's activated. Now I want to visit the website and I want to edit header top, that is Elementor header and footer builder. So I want to click here and I want to wait, and definitely it will be work. Okay, so let's see. Yes, that is, and definitely it's 100% work now. And if you have any question or any if you are facing any problem to solve this issue, please comment below and definitely I will answer. Also, if you are new viewers in my channel, please hit the subscribe button and share this video with your friends. Till then, tata.